Hello dear friends, welcome back to new video. In this video we are solving practice set 2.2 chapter number 2 matrices class 12th of Maharashtra board syllabus. Do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths to get newer videos. The first question is find the cofactors of the elements of the following matrices 1. The elements are -1, 2, -3 and 4. Therefore, write down in the solution part the question as it is, that is -1, 2, -3, 4. कोफैक्टर फाइंड आउट करने के पहले हमें माइनर निकालना होगा. तो हम जानते हैं माइनर क्या है. व्हाट इज माइनर? वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज माइनर. द सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. Let us consider the positioning of the matrices, that is A and A. This is the first row, therefore A1 1. This is the second row, therefore A will be 2 2. This is the elements in first column, that is C1, therefore 1 1, and this is C2, therefore 2 2. The position of -1 is A1 1, therefore A1 1 equals to -1. A, the position of this A12 is 2, for A12 equals to 2. The value of A21 is -3, therefore A21 equals to -3. The value of A22 is 4, therefore A22 will be equals to 4. These are the positions of the elements. फाइंड आउट करना है माइनर ऑफ दिस पोजिशंस. तो हमें M11 फर्स्ट माइनर फाइंड करना है, दैट इज M11. तो M11 A1 पोजीशन का माइनर हो जाएगा, दैट इज M11. तो M11 अगर फाइंड करना है तो हमें दिस इज फर्स्ट रो और ये फर्स्ट कॉलम हमें ड्रॉप आउट करना है. जो आंसर आ जाएगा वो A22. देयरफॉर M11 की वैल्यू माइनर ऑफ M11, minor of A11 is M11 with the value is A22. तो M11 की वैल्यू आ जाएगी M11 इक्वल्स टू A22 इक्वल्स टू A22 की वैल्यू है +4. सिमिलरली हमें M12 यानी A12 पोजीशन का माइनर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हमें फर्स्ट रो है, remaining value will be A21, therefore A21 be the minor of A12. Therefore M12 will equals to A21. Therefore M12 equals to A21 and the value of A21 is here -3. Next minor M21 means the minor of position of this A21. We have to drop out this second row and first column. The remaining element will A12. तो बचा हुआ एलिमेंट है A12 है, ये M12 की वैल्यू हो जाए. माइनर ऑफ A21 इज A12. तो A12 का माइनर ऑफ M21 भी ये A12 हो जाएगा और A12 की वैल्यू यहाँ है 2, तो वैल्यू 2 आ जाएगी. सिमिलरली हमें A22 पोजीशन का माइनर फाइंड आउट करना है, दैट इज माइनर ऑफ A22 विच इज M22. यानी M22 की जो वैल्यू है हमें सेकंड रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम ड्रॉप आउट करना है. यानी ये सेकंड रो और ये सेकंड कॉलम हमने ड्रॉप आउट कर दिए, तो रिमेनिंग वैल्यू विल बी A11. देयरफॉर M22 मींस माइनर ऑफ A22 इज A11, यानी A11 ये इसका माइनर हो जाएगा. और यहाँ M22 की वैल्यू M22 इक्वल्स टू A11 और A11 की वैल्यू यहाँ है -1. We get the values of minors. Now we have to find the values of cofactors. We know the formula of cofactor of the elements, that is cofactor ij equals to -1 to the power I plus j into minor of ij. Now what is ij? Ij means I means row, j means columns. Now we are formulating this cofactor of ij means the cofactor is written as capital A, ij as it is equals to as it is. This -1 will be also as it is. This is I means number of rows and j means column. This that is minor, which is denoted by capital M. Then this is ij. This is nothing but the formula of cofactor, finding the cofactor. Now by using this formula we can find the cofactors of these elements. Just find a11 a, the value of I, that is first row, and j, that is 1, that is first column. Value of a11 will becomes minus 1 to the power, the value of I means row is 1 plus 1, the minor will be m11. Now here minus 1 to the power plus of 2, the value of m11, which is here is 4, therefore put 4. It will becomes minus 1 to the power 2, that will be plus of 1 into 4, that will be the value of a11 will be 1 into 4, that is 4, therefore a11 equals to 4. Next value, that is a12, will be equals to minus 1 to the power this I1 plus 2j, that will be m12, that will be equals to minus 1 to the power 3. The value of this m12 is here minus of 3, put minus 3 here instead of m12. Minus 1 to the power odd number means this will be remain minus, and this minus as it is will be minus into minus will be plus of 3. We get the value of a12 equals to plus of 3. Now find the value of a21. It will be equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 I plus j into minor of m21 minus 1 to the power 3 into m. The value of m21 is here plus of 2, put 2 here, minus 1 to the power 3, it will be minus of 1 into 2, it will be minus of 2. We get minus 2 here, the value of a21. Similarly find the value of a22. Therefore a22 will becomes minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 and m of 22, that will becomes minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4, m22. The value of m22 is here minus 1, put minus 1 here, minus 1 to the power, this is even number, it will become plus of 1, and this is minus 1 as it is, 1 into minus 1, that will be minus of 1. A22, the value of a22 is minus 1. We get 4 values. A11 equals to 4, a12 equals to 3, and a21 equals to minus of 2, and a22 equals to minus of 1, which are called the cofactors of these elements. Sub question 2 of question number 1. In the solution part, the matrix is written as A, that is A equals to 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 and minus 2 0 minus 1. We have to first find the minors, and then next we can easily find the cofactors. Therefore m11, that is minor of 1 element. First we have to find m11, that is the minor of first row first position, that is the minor of this position, means this position. We have to find the minor of 1, then we have to drop first row and first column. The remaining element will be 3 5 0 minus 1. Therefore m11 will be equals to 3 5 0 and minus 1. Here this will be equals to minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 0 into 5 0, that will be minus of 3. Of a will be equals to a equals to minus 1 to the power a11 will be equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2 into minor m11, that is m equals to, that is minus 1 to the power 2, that is 1 into m11, that is minus 3, will equals to minus 3. Value of a11 will become minus of 3. Similarly next m1, we have to find m12. M12 will be the minor of this a12. Therefore a12 is minus of 1, means minor of minus of 1. A12 drop first row. A12 means drop first row and second column. We will get the elements minus 2 and minus 1. Write down here minus 2, 5, minus 2 and minus 1 will equals to minus 2 minus 1, that will be plus, minus of 5 into minus 2, that is minus of 10, that will be equals to 2 minus minus plus 10 equals to 12. That is the value of m12. A12, that is the cofactor of 12, will be equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3 into this m12 equals to minus 1 to the power 3, that will be minus of 1 into 12 equals to minus of 12. A12 will be equals to minus of 12, that is m13 will equals to minor of first row and third column, means the minor of this element A13, which is here 2, means first row and second column, means we have to drop first row and this third column. The elements will be remaining minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0 in the determinant. The remaining elements will be minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0 in the determinant. Solution will be minus 2 into 0, that will be 0, minus 3 into minus 2, that is minus of 6, that will be plus of 6. Here m13, that is minor of 13, minor of 13 is 6. For cofactor of A13 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4 into this m13 equals to minus 1 to the power, this is plus of 1, m13 is 6 equals to 6. Minor of m21 means second row first column. Here by dropping, we have to find the minor of this position. A21 means minor of minus 2, means second row and position we drop out. By dropping second row and first column, we get minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1. We get minus 1, 2, 0 and minus 1. Then determinant of this will be equals to minus minus plus of 1, minus 2 into 0, 0, that will be equal to plus of 1. A21, that is cofactor of 2, 1 position, will equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3 into 1, that will be minus 1 into 1, that is minus of 1. Finding the minor m22 means second row second column will equals to means position of A22 minor, that is the minor of 3. By dropping second row and second column, we get the elements 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. We get the element that is 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. By finding the determinant of this, 1 into minus 1, that is a minus 1, minus 2 into 2, that is a minus of 4. That will equals to minus 1 minus minus plus of 4, minus plus 4, that is plus of 3. We get m22 equals to 3. Find A22 factor 22 will equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4 into this minor m22 equals to minus 1 to the power, that is 4, minus 1 to the power 4, that is 1 into minor m22 will be plus of 3, and 1 into 3, that will be 3. The value of A22 is 3. And the next minor, that is m23, will equals to the determinant elements will be means minor of this A23 position, means minor of 5, means second row and third column will be dropped, and remaining elements in the determinant are 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2 and 0. That will be equals to 1 into 0, 0, minus of 0, minus this minus minus will be plus of 2, and this will be minus of 2. Find cofactor of second row third column will equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5, into minus 2 minus 1 to the power odd number, that is minus of 1, into minus 2, that is minus minus will plus of. Thus next find minor of m31 equals to the minor of a31, that is this position, means the minor of minus 2, means third row and first column will be dropped, and the amount remaining elements will be minus 1 2 3 5. Therefore write down minus 1 2 3 5. Find the determinant. 1 into 5, that is minus of 5, minus 3 into 2, that is minus of 6, that will be minus of 11, or yeah, 31 equals to minus 1. Therefore cofactor 31 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4, 2, that is minus of 11, that is minor. Now this will be plus of 1 and this is minus of 11, that will be equals to minus 11. 31 is minus 11. Similarly find m32. Therefore m32 will be equals to, the determinant elements will be minor of this position is minor of this element is third row, and second column will be dropped, means third row and second column will be dropped, and the remaining elements will be 1 2 minus 2 5, and the remaining elements will be 1 2 minus 2 5, that will equals to 5 into 1, that is 5, minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus of 4, that is 5, minus minus plus of 4 9, m2 equals to 9. For a 32 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into this minor 32. The value of minor 32 is 9 by putting minus 1 to the power plus of 5, means into this 9, this minus 1 to the power plus of 5 means minus, as it is because this is odd number, into 9, that will be minus of 9. Now finding the value of m33. Finding the value of m33 means minor of this position, means minor of this position means the minor of element minus 1. By dropping the element in third row and third column, we get the elements 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. We get 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. We get 3 into 1 3, minus this minus 1 into minus 2, that will be plus of 3 minus, that is 1. We get the element here. Now we have to find a33, and a33 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 6 into minor of 33. We get minus 1 to the power 6, that is plus plus of 1, into the minor of 33 is 1 1 into 1, that will be 1. We get the values here like this. In this way we have calculated the value of cofactors, that is a11, a12, a13, a14 and so on. Next question, question number 2. Find the matrix of cofactor of the following matrices. Sub question 1, that is 1 3 4 minus 1. In the solution part, write down the matrix as it is, that is let a equals to 1 3 in first row, 4 minus. Here the values of a11, that is the element in first row and first column is 1, element in first row and second column is 3. Similarly element in second row and first column is 4, the element in second row and second column is minus 1. Now we have to find the minor of a11 position, that is m11 equals to the minor of this one is this minus 1, minor of this 1 2 position means minor of 3 is 4, minor of this 2 1 means minor of this 4 is 3. Similarly the minor of 22, that is 2 cross 2 means 2 rows 2 column, that is minor of minus 1 is this 1. Here we have written the minors. Next we have to find the values of cofactor, that is a, 1 1 will become minus 1 to the power this 1 plus 1, that is 2 into minor of m11, minor m11, that is minus 1 to the power 2, that is 1 into the value of m11 is here minus 1, put minus 1, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, the value of a11 is minus 1. Similarly, the value of a12 will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3 dot m12 equals to minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus of 1. The value of m12 is here 4, put 4, that is minus 1 into 4 will be minus of 4. Similarly, find the value of a13. a13 will be equals to minus 1 to the power was 3, that is 4 into minus this 1 3. The value similar, find a21, that will be equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into m21, that will be equals to minus 1 power 3, that will be minus of 1. m21 will become 3 minus 1 into 3, that is minus of 3. Similarly, we can find a22, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4 into m22, that is minus 1 to the power, that is plus of 1 into the value of m22 is here 1, means multiplied by 1 we get 1 into 1, that is 1. We can write the cofactor of the matrix, that is a cofactor of a will be equals to, that is a, that is here r1 row 1, therefore first element r2 2 2, the c1 first column 1 1, c2 second column 2 2, therefore the elements will be a11, the a1 is minus 1, put a11 equals to minus 1, the value of a1 is minus 4, put a2 equals to minus 4, the value of a21, the value of a21 is minus, but put a21 equals to minus 3, value of a22 is 1, put 1 here, therefore here we get the cofactor. Next question, question number 2, sub question 2, the given matrix is 102 minus 213 03 minus 5. In the solution part, write down the matrix as it is. Let us assume that this matrix be A equals to 102 minus 213 03 minus 5. At first we have to find the minors, then minor m11 will becomes here m11 can find, this is the first row and this is the first column, therefore by eliminating first row and first column we get the element, that is 133 minus 5. We have to write down here 133 minus 5, then find the minor of this 1 into minus 5, that will be minus of 5, minus 3 into 3, that is minus of 9, minus 9 5 minus 9, it will be minus of 14. Now to find the cofactor of 1 1, that is a11, that will be minus of 1 to the power this 1 plus 1, that is 2 into the value of this minor minus 14 multiplied by minus 14, minus 1 to the power even number, therefore 1 into minus 14 will be minus of 14. The value of a11 we get is minus of 14. Next we have to find the minor m12, that is first row and second column should be eliminated, that is first row and second column should be eliminated, and the remaining elements are minus 2 3 0 minus 5, that is minus 2 3 0 minus 5 is written here. Now find the minor of m12, that is minus 2 into minus 5, minus 2 into minus of 5, minus of this 3 into 0 0, that will be minus 2 minus 4 plus of 10. Now here cofactor of a12, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3 into this 10 Here minus 1 to the power even number, therefore minus 1 into this 10, it will become minus of 10. Therefore the value of A12 is minus of 10. Then finding M13, that is eliminating first row and third column, eliminating this first row and this third column. The elements, remaining elements are minus 2 1 0 3. Therefore here minus 2 1 0 3. Now on calculating minus 2 into 3, that is minus of 6, minus 1 into 0 0. Therefore the value of M13 is minus 3. Now the A13, that is cofactor A, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4, into this is minus of 6. Now this is even number, therefore it will be plus of 1 into this minus of 6, it will be minus of 6. Therefore the value of A13 will be minus of 6. Similarly, finding the minor of M21, that is by eliminating second row and first column, eliminate second row and first column. The remaining elements will be 0, 2, 3, minus 5 here, 0, 2, 3, minus 5. On solving 0 into minus 5, it will be 0 minus 2 into 3, that is 6, it will be minus of 6. Now A21, that is minus 1 to the power, this is 2 plus 1, that is 3, into minor M21, that is minus of 6, it will becomes minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus 1 into this minus 6, it will be plus of 6. We get the value of A21, that is 6. Now we have to find M22 by eliminating second row and second column. This is the second row and this is the second column. By eliminating we get 1 2 0 minus 5, that is minor elements 1 2, sorry, minus 5 here. On solving this, 1 into minus 5, that will be minus of 5, minus 0 equals to minus of 5. Now a to 2, that will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4, into this minus m2 minor m22, that is minus of 5. Power is even, therefore it will be plus of 1, into this minus of 5, it will be minus of 5. The value of a22 we get is minus of 5. Next, the value of m23 by eliminating second row and third column. By eliminating this second row and this third column, we get 1003. We get 1003 by solving 1 into 3, that will be 3, minus 0 into 0, that is 0. The value of m23 we get is 3. Now here a23 can be calculated, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5, into this 3, it will becomes minus of 1 into 3, that will be minus of 3. The value of a23 we get is minus 3. Finding the value of m31, eliminate third row and first column. This is third row and first column will be eliminated. The remaining elements 0 2 1 3, here 0 2 1 3. Finding m31, that is 0 into 3, that is 0, minus 2 into 1, that is 2, that will equals to minus of 2. A31, that is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4, into the value of m31, that is minus 2. Here the power is even number, therefore it will become plus of 1, into this minus of 2, it will become minus of 2. To find m32, eliminate third row and second column. This is third row and this is second column is eliminated. The remaining elements are 1 2 minus 2 3, 1 2 minus 2 3. Here find the value of this minor m32, that is 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus of 2, 4, that is minus of 4, that will equals to 3, as it is minus minus plus 4, that is 7. Here we have to find a32. The formula, according to formula, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5, into this m32, that is this 7. The power of minus 1 is odd number, therefore it will remain minus 1, into this 7. Now the answer we get is minus of 7. Minus of 7 is answer of this a32. Next, Similarly, find M33 is by dropping or eliminating third row and third column. This third row and third column is eliminated and the remaining elements are 1 0 minus 2 1, which is written here 1 0 minus 2 1. Now find the minor of this. 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 0 into minus 2, that will be 0. Here 1 minus 0, that is 1. A33, that is cofactor A33, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6, into this 33, that is 1, that will be becomes minus 1. Here we get the values of a11, a12, a13. Therefore, by putting these values in the cofactor of a, the values of a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, and a33 into this matrix, we get the final answer as question third. Find the adjoint of the following matrices. The first of question is 2 minus 3 3 5. In the solution part, the matrix is assumed as A, that is let A equals to 2 minus 3 3 5. Now this is the given matrix. Now the position of this 2 is A11, this is A12, this is A21, and this is A22. Therefore A11 will equals to this 2. Now the minor of this A11 means minor of 2 will be 5. Means write down here 5 as a minor. The cofactor of A11 will becomes minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 2 into M11, that is 5, equals to minus 1 to whole square, that is plus of 1 into 5 equals to 5 is the value of this A11. The value of this A12 is minus 3. So put minus 3 instead of this A12. The value of A12 is minus 3. The minor of A12 will be, this is the minor of A11 is plus of 3 is a minor of minus 3. Now the cofactor a12 will becomes minus 1 to the power this 1 plus 2, that is 3 into m12, the value of m12 which is 3 into 3 will equals to minus 1 to the power 3, that is a minus 1 into 3 will equals to minus 3. Minus 3 is the value of a12. The value of this a21 is 3. Write down here 3. This minor of a21 means minor of this 3 is this minus 3. Minor of 21 is minus of 3. A of 21, that is cofactor of 21, will becomes minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3 into minor of m21, that is minus 3 will equals to minus 1 to the power 3, that will be minus of 1 into this minus of 3, minus 1 minus 3 will be plus of 3. Value of a22 is 5. Write down here 5. The cofactor of a22 means cofactor of this 5 is 2. Therefore value of this a22 is 5 here. Then minor of a22 means the minor of 5, that is this 2. Minor of a22 will be 2. Cofactor of a22, that is minus 1 to the power this 2 plus 2 4 into minus m22 means this 2 minus 1 to the power 4, that is plus of 1 into 2, that will be equals to twice of 1 means 2. Therefore here the cofactor of this matrix A becomes capital A 1 1, A 1 2, A 2 1, and A 2 2. By putting the values of A11, A12, A21, and A22 from here, we get the new matrix, that is 5 minus 3 3 2, which is nothing but the cofactor of matrix, this A matrix. Now we have to find the adjoint of this A, means ADJ of A. We can find the ADJ of A by interchanging this A12 and A21 values Means by interchanging -3 and 3 we get the adjoint of A. Let us interchange first. That is, here will be 3 and this -3 will shift it to this position, and 5 and 2 will remain as it is. In this way we will get the adjoint of the matrix A. Next question, question number third, sub question 2. Now we have to find the adjoint of this matrix. Write down the matrix as it is. That is, let A equals to 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 and minus 2 0 minus 1. First we have to find the value of A11, that is equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2, into the minor of A11, that is M11, equals to minus 1 to the power 2, that is plus of 1. M11 equals to first row and first column dropout, that is 350 minus 1, 350 minus 1, the value equals to 1. Now this 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 into 0, that is 0, equals to 1 into minus 3, that is minus of 3. The value of A11 we get is minus of 3. Next, the value of A12 can be calculated as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3, into first row and second column should be eliminated. The remaining elements are minus 2 5 minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 2 5 minus 2 minus 1. On solving, that is minus 1 as it is, minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus of 2, minus this 5 into minus 2, that is minus of 10, that will be equals to minus of 1 in bracket, that is 2 minus minus plus of 10, that equals to minus 1, that is 2 plus 10, that is a 12, minus 1 into 12, that is minus of 12. Finding the value of A13, which can be calculated as minus 1 to the power this 1 plus 3, that is 4, into the minor of that first row and third column, that is first row and third column should be element. The remaining elements are minus 2 3 minus 2 0, therefore here minus 2 3 minus 2 0, here minus 1 to the power 4, that is 1, and on solving this minus 2 into 0 0 minus this 3 into minus 2, that is minus of 6, that will be equals to 1 as it is. Here 0 minus minus plus of 6, that is 1 into 6, that is 1 into 6, that is 6 1. A13, the value of A13 is 6. Next value, that is A21 will equals to minus 1 to the power 3 and minor of A21, that is M21, means second row and first column should be dropped in the minor, that is minus 1 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 2 0 minus 1. Here on solving, minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus of 1, here in bracket minus minus plus of 1, minus 2 into 0, that is 0, here minus 1 into 1, that will be minus of 1. The value of A21 is minus of 1. The value of A22 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 4 into minor of A22, that is minor of A22 will be second row and second column should be dropped. Here the remaining elements are 1 2 minus 2 minus 1. So write down here 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now that will be equals to minus 1 to the power 4, that is plus of 1. Now on solving this, 1 into minus 1, that is minus of 1, minus 2 into minus of 2, that is minus of 4. On solving this, this is 1, this is minus 1 as it is, minus minus of plus of 4, that will be equals to 1 into minus 1 plus 4, that is 3, 1 into 3 3, the value of A22 is 3. Now the value of A23 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5, into second row and third column should eliminated. The remaining elements are 1 minus 1 minus 2 0, that is 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 minus 2 0. Now here minus 1 to the power 5, that is minus of 5, and in bracket 1 into 0 0 minus minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus of 2. Now that will equals to minus of 1. 0 minus 2, that is minus of 2. That is minus 1 into minus 2 plus of 2. The value of A23 is 2. Now we have to find the value of A31. That will equals to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4 into here third row and first column should be eliminated, and the remaining elements are minus 1, 2, 3, 5. That is minus 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now we get minus 1 to the power 4, that is plus of 1 in bracket. Now this minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5 minus 2 into 3, that is 6. Now here 1 as it is, minus 5 minus 6, that is minus of 11. 1 into minus of 11, that is minus of 11. The value of A31 we get is minus of 11. A32 will be equals to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5. The minor of M32, that will be equals to third row and second column will be eliminated. The remaining terms are 1, 2, minus 2, 5. That is 1, 2, minus 2, 5. On solving this, minus 1 to the power 5, that is minus of 1 in bracket. 1 into 5, 5, that is minus of 2 into minus 2, that is minus of 4. Now that will be equals to minus 1 as it is. 5 minus minus plus of 4, that is minus 1. 5 plus 4, that is 9. That will be equals to minus of 9. The value of A32 we get is minus of 9. Now finding the value of A33, that will equals to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6 into minor of 33. Now third row and third column should be eliminated. The remaining elements are 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. Write down here 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. Now minus 1 to the power 6 will be plus of 1 in bracket. 1 into 3, that is 3, minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus of 2. Now that will be equals to 1. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now the value of A33 is equals to 1. Therefore cofactor of A will be equals to here the values of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now putting the values of these here, we get minus 3, minus 12, 6 here. The values of minus 1, 3, 2, minus 11, minus 9 and this 1. By putting the values of this A11, A12, A13, etc. in this bracket, we get the cofactor of A. Now we have to find the adjoint of A. Therefore ADJ of A will be equals to, now keep the diagonal elements as it is, that is 3. These diagonal elements as it is, that is minus 3, 3 and 1. Then interchange minus 12 by 1. Now interchange these elements. There will be minus 1, here will be minus 12. Interchange this 6 with minus 11. Here will be 6, here will be minus 11. Interchange this 2 with minus 9. Therefore here will be 2 and here will be minus of 9. We get the adjoint of it, that is minus 3 minus 1 minus 11 minus 12, 3 minus 9, 3, 6 to 1.